Hi family. Today I am harvesting my romaine. I'm going to harvest all of my leaves. Romaine, collard greens, and some cabbage. I'm pulling up everything, all of these cold water or cold weather crops, and I'm going to clean them up, and I'm going to blanch the collard greens and the cabbage. I'm going to stir fry some up for dinner and package up the rest. These are whittled down to nothing. I had these plants. I've been growing these plants since March. It's May 2nd, and they're fine. They grew up nicely. I was kind of doing an experiment just to see how things would work well in this area and in the greenhouse. So I bunched everything together, and so I like the results. So now I'm just gonna harvest everything and then make room for here my pepper plants. So I'm gonna thin these out when they get a little bigger, and then I'm gonna make room for my peppers and tomatoes. I'm gonna amend this soil. I'm keeping this soil. Sorry, I don't have my mic on. With this device, it needs a wired mic, and so I just move around too much for that. So I'm just pulling the whole thing up by the roots. See, when you pull romaine up from the roots, they really stick. Have to clean all of this off. So that's the romaine. So I'm going to get the cabbage next. So I'm the cameraman, so I set you guys up there so you can see mostly of what I'm doing. I don't have a cameraman to get A and B roll. This is A, B, and C roll. Now, don't think now. As much you guys know, I love lettuce. I'm going to be growing some hardier lettuce varieties, some that can take the heat. But I'm going to put the lettuces in here, and I'm going to set them back because we don't get a whole lot of heat over here, and it's a little shadier. So I'm going to try that. Okay, so proud of my collard greens. Let me tell you guys, this is what the collard greens is what prompted me to garden again this year, because during November, during Thanksgiving, it was hard to find some good quality collard greens. You know, a lot of the farmers around here either stopped doing it or stopped uh, growing collard greens. So I said, I'm going to grow my own. Okay, now to just pull up the collard greens, just pull them up by the roots. Okay, I'll come back when I finish. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to cut. I'm not going to deal with the dirt too much. I'm just going to go on and cut them. But I wanted all of the roots out of the soil. Do that with my greens. I want my clean stuff in there. I'm going to go through all of these, cut them, rinse everything, then I'll put it in my basket here to go inside. Okay, family, I'm on my last few cabbages, and I've been harvesting off of these cabbages, so this is what's left. So these are stir fry up really easily, and like I said, I wanted to try this variety, so I bunched all of my greens up into one container, and because I wasn't worried about them getting big at this point. Here's my romaine. I'm going to rinse everything. I'm going to rinse those off as well. Rinse everything off. So I'm pleased with this harvest. It was just, I started these in March. So all March, all of April, all of March, all of April. It's been about 6 weeks. So yeah, it's fine. And I've already had like 2 or 3 harvests from all of these plants. So this is like all new growth. Okay guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today and harvesting my cabbage and romaine and my collard greens with me today. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, if you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe, okay? So that's everything. And I'm going to do a video. I already did a video on, me making a salad with my greens. And then I'll do another video where I saute. These are so young and tender. They saute nicely with some onions and whatever else. Olive oil, onions and garlic, saute, stir fry them. They're fine. It's my favorite way to eat them. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. And hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.